Welcome to PenContentDigital. In this video, you will explore key JavaScript concepts every developer and student should know in 2025. It will help you build a strong understanding of modern JavaScript. Modern features like optional chaining, nullish coalescing, private class fields, top-level await, dynamic import, BigInt, logical assignment operators, Promise.allSettled, replaceAll, and WeakRefs make coding simpler, cleaner, and more efficient. Asynchronous programming with promises and async-await makes handling tasks like fetching data much easier, avoiding complex callback chains. Good performance is critical. Techniques such as code splitting, lazy loading, and smart DOM updates make applications faster and more responsive. Understanding the JavaScript event loop is key. It shows how the language handles tasks, callbacks, and asynchronous code behind the scenes. Finally, using vanilla JavaScript to build dynamic web apps strengthens core skills. You can create powerful, interactive websites without relying on frameworks. If you enjoy today's video, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and follow PenContentDigital for more expert coding content.